Best DJ headphones. Pag-usapan natin yan. Una, yung Pioneer DJ XDJ X10. And I just really love these headphones. I think they're the best headphones I've ever used. They're the most comfortable. Plus, they're also really well built. You know, with the exception of these parts na leatherette na kailangan naman talaga siya palitan kasi that's just the nature of the material. Next up is the TMA2 III. What I really like about these headphones is that they're customizable. Pwede mo palitan yung earpads, pwede mo palitan yung headband, pwede mo palitan yung speaker drivers nandito kung gusto mo mas maliit or kung gusto mo mas malaki like what I have here. So the TMA2 system is modular. So that means you can custom tailor it to the kind of use case scenario that you want. Kung gusto mo yung kunyari malawak na bass and you want the really thick earpads like this and like, you know, a Bluetooth headband pa nga if you want to use it when you're not DJing, you can configure it that way and they would send it to you as is. Or kung gusto mo na mas maliit na ear cups, sabihin natin mas fan ka of like the smaller profile, just on the ear design or something like that, you can configure it that way too. Now the third one, and I don't have it with me right now, is the Sennheiser HD25. These are legendary headphones. These have been used for decades by DJs and also sound engineers whenever they do like studio or live sound work. These are so well built and they're also very like kaya yung mga touring DJs gustong-gusto nila yan. Yung mga techno DJs na parating bumabiyahe sa Europe and America, you see them wearing these headphones. They're awesome. Now, last but not the least on my list is the V-Moda Crossfade 3. Sobrang ganda nito and it's also not that big. It does cover your whole ear pero hindi siya bilog. So the shape is a little bit different and at the same time the look is also pretty cool. I remember Patty Chu is somebody who uses this. I think an earlier version of the Crossfade, either Crossfade 1 or Crossfade 2 pero naka V-Moda siya dati. So there you go, my top DJ headphones for 2023. If you have other suggestions, please let me know in the comments. I'm sure there are many other DJ headphones that I didn't get to mention in this video. So kung meron kang particular model in mind or particular brand that you think are really good, go ahead and recommend it in the comments. Can't wait to hear from you.